Welcome to this MyTrucking video. Today we're going to run through the customer portal and how clients of the MyTrucking users can add jobs and also view their history and status of current jobs. So as you can see in here, we've got a bunch of previous jobs that have been completed for us. Some are at the stage where they've just been created and are waiting to be accepted. Others are marked as done, and we can see that those jobs have been completed. You can also see that there are attachments to certain jobs. So if you ever wanted to view those attachments, you can simply click on them and open them up, and you see it will bring up the attachment there. You can also see a brief description of the job, so the charge to, the origin, the destination, and the product and the quantity. And then you can also see a breakdown of your reference fields, and you can also sort by these reference fields by clicking on the title. So that way it will bring them up. So next, what you want to do is add in a job. So simply by clicking on the Add Job button there, it has brought up our Add a Job Request page. So we're going to go through and select today's date, and then we're going to enter in the charge client. So we are logged in as ABC Limited. So let's make ABC Limited the charge client. And then let's make our origin also ABC Limited, because the trucking company needs to pick up from us. And then the destination, let's enter in a new destination to show you how to add a destination if it isn't already there. So to add a new customer, you just need to click on the Add New button. It'll ask you for a bit of information, like the location name, and then also the address of that location. So we'll just put in the address now. We can also then add a note at the client level. So if there was anything that the customer needs to state about this client, for example, use the main gate, then that can be added, and that will be saved at that customer level as well, so it will be remembered for any jobs used for this customer. You can then go through and add an attachment here by just clicking on the drag and drop or browsing through your locally stored files. We'll then go through and search the product list to see if there's any products that we already have or if we need to add a new one. So we'll add a new product for FERT and we'll call it tons. So that's the unit of measurement. And we'll say that the customer wants 10 tons. If there's a consignment note, we'll enter that in. And then if there's any other details or references or notes, we can fill that in as well. So now we'll save and exit. And we'll see that that job has been successfully requested. So that's sitting as a pended job. So what that means now is that job has sent through a request to the MyTrucking web version, and it is waiting for the dispatchers to accept that job and complete it.